Hi everybody, I'm Ultra Derek. We're all doing well. I am not an echo. Neko. I need to make some ultra eyes for my for the model adjustment that I did. Neko. Sorry, I'm still getting ready here. I think like in Go, I'm gonna have to like start learning maps. Yeah, I need to learn maps. I didn't realize it was like a constant search constant instead of like a to end. It's constant. That'd be like way better. Way better. Maybe I finally found a reason to learn it. Maybe I found a reason to learn it. All right. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Is my music playing? Yeah, it looks like it's playing. All right, there. And like you hear. Please, Mr. Groove. Ooh. Make sure everything is live. Looks like I'm live there. Public. That's good. That's public. Public. Yay. I'm public, baby. Start trading on the NASDAQ. Start trading on the NASDAQ. Oh, she's going to the hospital for like 15 years now. And you don't die on me. Oh, baby. Yeah. So I think I kind of just want to get straight to it. Oh, thanks for the follow. Singular triangle number 1. Hello. Thank you. You love my clips? Oh, thanks for stopping by here. Thanks for finding me. Thank you. Who's your Oshi? Who's your Oshi? Pippa? Yeah, a lot of people watch Pippa. Watch me. I got 2. I like Henya and Pippa, so I clip them both. Pippa got me. It was like my gateway. Pippa was my gateway into watching VTubers. She's a drug. Yeah. And then, yeah, and then like she's also like the gateway to like for me like learning about other VTubers, because I did hear about Henya before, but like I would have never clicked her stream. But Pippa rated her like when she was on Pippa would do like gorilla streams on Twitch, and she rated Henya once. That's how I got to learn of Henya. Yeah. Other than Rev says Desu, kind of learned of her from there. Yeah. That's how I started watching her. It's like, this person's a ball of sunshine. Oh, it does? Don't tell the artist, but I modified a pre-existing model. Because I'm broke. I'm broke. Ultra broke. Yeah, I changed the colors of it, and then like I was like, hey, would it be really cool if I put some traces on this fucker and then like gave myself rainbow teeth? Yeah, that's what I did. So I took like a circuit board and like highlighted all the traces and like pasted them on and shit. It's like, hell yeah. I think I missed the tail somehow. Somehow I missed, or the paws or something. Like, yeah. No traces on the paws. They don't belong. Yeah. They do not belong. Yeah, I've been programming a lot lately. I haven't been able to like really clip. I've tried like a few clips like here and there, but I'm hoping this tool will help me in the long run. Or the short run or whatever. The whatever run. I'm tired of having to freaking download them. You know, the streams. If I forget, sometimes like shit gets missing and stuff. So yeah. Yep. Then, ooh, what? Okay, wait a second. Yeah. Get back in my corner. So I had like a function like this, and then like I was like, "Hey, Gruck, is this okay?" And it caught like a kind of a big bug that I had in there. And so I was like, well, this runs like basically in what to say, like it's like if you want even faster large slices, you can map it to 0 to 1. I was like, constant time? Hell yeah, man. So yeah. I was like, how do I do that? I try to avoid maps in Golang because they confuse the shit out of me. And I've always heard about like them just being the best. So hell, man, like, should I just make everything maps from now on? What the fuck, dayo? So yeah. This is what it told me. So I gotta like sit through it and kind of like read, build a fast lookup. So it looks like it. What is this struct? Like, why do I have to put struct in here? Equals a string. I guess that's the string that we're looking up. Yeah. Why is this like double? Sometimes I don't understand like what the like if this is here as part of the mapping thing or what. All right. I guess it doesn't really matter because like, maybe because like actual type. Because I'm not really looking up any data in it. DB keys. DB keys. So Example of its uint. I use string above because key is almost most likely string. It is. No mutations. We don't touch or copy the original. All right. Simpler, cleaner. O n plus m instead of O n times m, which is like so much faster. Not that it needs to be fast, because like this is gonna be spending a lot of time just downloading. But yeah. Huh. Yeah. Let's comment this out. I thought mine was pretty clever. Like what's the struct? Map string. What was this thing again? Change string to actual type. So why are you putting like an empty struct in there? So why is there... You're just loading. I don't use maps much. So what? Why are you putting an empty struct? So are you just putting an empty struct in there to save memory? I don't know if that's the best question. Let's give it a smarter question. You're using, wait a second. DB clip. You're putting an empty struct in there. Putting an empty struct in there. Just because we are checking. Just because we are just checking to see if the key is in there. We are just checking for the TW clip ID key. Yeah. ID key, right? So maybe I can just learn a little bit of something in here. If you want me to adjust precisely, why struct? Go doesn't have a built-in set type. A map is the closest thing we have, but a set type. What's a set type? But a map always needs a value for every key. But we only care about, does this key exist? The value itself is useless to us. All right. Even simpler? Why do I even need a simpler one? Oh, I see. So here, if it's not true, then we'll add that shit in there. All right, I see. See here. Oh, not exists. But wait a second. How would it know, like, did you get false? How would it know to get false? Wait a second. Okay, wait a second. Let's see if it tells us. Okay. If not keys, it works as a missing key. Return automatically returns false. All right. Both versions 100% correct and equally fast. The bool was more, yeah, like you don't have to like you don't have to bring it into this here because this returns two things. I don't know what this other one returns. Wait a second. I mean this here. What the fuck? I didn't even know you can do this. Wait a second. Wait a second. You can do this? You can do this? I didn't know that. I didn't know you can put like two things in here. Huh. Huh. I'll have to remember that. I'll have to remember that. But usually you want this to be true and then do shit in it, right? Like usually if it's... Yeah. You'd have to start doing shit in that, doing stuff in here. Like you can't take this out of it. Like if you return something here, you can't take it out of it. Yeah. I wonder if you can do it with an else. I don't know if you can do it with an else. Might be able to do like a continue. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so let's kind of do it the way they're saying. They put the bool in there, right? So we'll just like put a bool in here. Right, like bool. And then like equals true. And then like if not, so that's looking for a true. Then I guess I can just do this. Right. Pre-allocate. I don't want to pre-allocate it because this can be way smaller than it. I'm not going to pre-allocate it because I'm a Chad. I don't care if it's all over the place. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Yeah. No. Thank you. Do. Yeah, I'm working on a program here. So we're ignoring that. API clip. Append it. Wait a second. I'm semi-vibe coding. That's your second name? Oh, great. Non-stop programming. I'm so burnt out on this shit. I've been working on this. I've changed it like 20 times. Like, what the fuck, dayo? Yeah, I don't care if it's that. All right. Yeah, it looks like yeah. I need to learn how to use maps in Go. I try to avoid them like the plague. And I need to not be like as, okay, let me ask this question. So it says like sets. It says something about sets. What is a set type? And like I usually if I'm not programming in Go, I am programming in C. So what is a set type? Think about writing my billionth unit test and pen test fail at 3940. What's a unit? Wait a second. Unit test. I'm kind of an amateur programmer. So I'm definitely an amateur programmer. I've never been paid for it. What's like I kind of think a assistant engineer. What's like a pen test? I think I know like a unit test. But I'm not like 100% sure what a pen test is. And see, there is no built-in set. Penetration? No map, no set. Keyword like Go, Python. Set is simply a collection that stores unique items you can check very quickly. Yeah. So I guess it's like having like, oh, I think I kind of know. Like if you, I think I kind of know what it's talking about. Like an index, but you, instead of like an int in there, you put like fucking, like a string in there. It could be anything. I think I kind of, yeah. Penetration test. Oh no. You had to fucking do a C. You had to do C. All right. Man, I'm going to use maps more. I'm going to have to figure this shit out. Omega sets? No. Or categories? I don't always program, but when I do, it's usually like robotic shit. Like in C, sets or categories. It's like robotics and or like little microcontrollers and shit. Like check pin, check this. Check that, do this. Interrupt. Interrupt this, interrupt that. What do you do in the interrupt? Fucking love that shit. I love that shit. The worst thing about like programming, like a microcontroller for circuits is like, is the circuit fucked up or is my program fucked up? Coding is a journey, an annoying, lonely journey. C sets are categories. Okay, wait a second. What's an omega set? Let me look this up. Omega sets. Omega set. Now I want you to look up what's. In mathematics, a set omega refers to an infinite ordinal number, which is, oh, yeah, because it represents the number of elements in an infinitely countable sequence. It's formally defined as a set of all natural numbers. All right. Dynamical systems. Depending on the context of your question, omega set, I don't know, programming or something like that. Used to describe a long-term behavior of a moving point or trajectory in a system. Ah. But did you see that I can define an injection from from natural to that set. Like C sets or categories. Yeah, I see. That is a map and a category functor, and we can go into because training was in math. Ah. That's okay. We don't have to go into it. The set of all things. Huh. So I fucking hate this one then. I don't know if I can use a map for this because I wonder. Okay, so no, I think I can't map it because this one's checking for load stream ID to new clip. That could have been bad. That could have been bad. Actually, I'm going to delete this one too. Because fuck that shit. We'll keep this one. That's fine. That's fine. Because it'll just like jump out of it. Huh. Append. Let me stare at your code for real a bit. I'm gonna delete this. No copying. No copying. What the fuck is in here? Yeah, I deleted this one. This one's going bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm keeping it in there right now. I want to delete it. I want to delete it right now. I kind of inadvertently started working on it again. Yeah. Oh, I don't need to see this. Bye-bye. Boom. All right. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah, I started using databases. I'm not like the biggest fan of databases, but I didn't want to have to fucking like if I parallelize this, it'll be easier with databases because it will like save it for me. I don't have to worry about it fucking like any kind of race condition or whatnot. All right. All right, so get clips, API auto. I think I kind of load IDs to new clip. All right, sort out clips not in database. Ooh, did I ever fucking do that? Oh, I want to give it a name. What the fuck? I like it out here. Makes it more readable. Like if you look at the function. There we go. There you go, laddie. Pew. All right. I'll trust it. I think I want to put this in here. Get channel, okay, DB clips. Get all VODs. If len is not equal to 0, wait a second. API. Oh, okay. I think I need to replace the API clips. Oh, that's what I'll be doing here. Wait a second. If they're equal to 0, though. So I was like watching over my daughter at the time, and then like then we went out to eat, and then I came back. You know, I was like working on a function, and I didn't know where I was. Like downstairs. When I wasn't even in my regular spot. Yeah. I think I fucked up here a little bit. Load stream IDs. I don't. If Lena API clips is not equal to 0, I kind of feel like this needs to go on the outside here. Yeah. Ow! That hurt. That fucking hurt. Yeah. Ow, that doubly hurt. That hurt twice as much. I kind of... That's thrice. That's thrice. If when a DV clips equals 0, API clips. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. I did do that right. I did do that right. Stays back. Get the API clip. Stays back. Stays back. And Erlog. All right. Yeah. I mean, technically I can just do this in here. All right, so API clips. I don't think I'm going to really care about these API clips after I'm done. That's right. API clips equals, and then we'll put the API clips here, comma, DB clips, donkey butt. There we go. So this one will load the shit in. Hell yeah, brother. Load streams into new clips. Man, I'm glad I fucking found that. I thought I found it earlier too, and I fixed it. So it gets me wondering, like, how come that's not fixed? How come it wasn't fixed? TWCom ID, yeah. I need to rename this to something else. Yeah. What your read notes look like? Notes. Like this stuff? Read the notes. All right. Like you used to have to do this and go, or you get a warning, but now they kind of stop that. So new clips. This loads the stream ID into new clips. Stream ID from a stream into new clips. Yeah. then you have a change log or whatever, like your dev comments to get. Oh, I'm trying to do better with that now, and I'm not keeping up with it. I'm not keeping up with it, but I try to like go in here and like I'll look like what I changed and shit. That's empty. Yeah. So I moved this over. Like I moved this to a new folder. So I'll probably put this and then like I moved it to a new file to make it more organized. And I think I did like the same here. Oh yeah, I changed these like YouTube initialized, Twitch initialized. Yeah, I commented things out because I'm using databases now and I don't need to be going through a freaking JSON that is saved onto a disk. Probably pretty similar here. Yeah. Assign worker. Yeah, now I have parallelizing it. Yeah, I'm the only one working on it. It's pushed to the master branch, so this is just your temp repo. Yeah, it's like my save file. It's my save file in case I want to like easily move it over to another computer. This is a private program that I'm making. I mean, like I'm saving it to Git, but it's private. Yeah. You're like Batman, a soul cutter. Yeah. I only make programs for myself. You have to work with a team. You could say, if you come, what is it? They have like that guy that like, I hear stories. There's that guy that like, he's the one that only knows what everything does. It's kind of like my dad. He's been trying to retire for like 5 years. and somehow he feels bad for the company, right? And so he's finally down to like part-time, and he thinks they're gonna let him go. This is supposed to be his last year. He wanted to retire when he was 70, and he's past that now. But this is it. This is it, chat, for him. But it's been like a few years after he's turned 70, right? But unfortunately, they're going to move like all the IT people basically to India. They're outsourcing it to India now. But like for 40 plus years, he's had his like, it's been 40. Yeah, it's been like 40 plus years. He's been programming there, building the systems and shit. And he's like one of the last people that hasn't retired. And like what the fucking kicker is like they always like any like the new guys basically they fired. And so they always kept like the senior staff. They never really did a good like mixeroo, you know, when they had to like lay people off. And so like basically they like put themselves in a corner because it's all in COBOL too, right? They kind of put themselves in a corner. Yeah, I think I should update this like more often, but then I like forget. But now it's like now that I've like have so many on there, it's like I don't remember exactly. Like, okay, so when you do like the git, like, you know, the commits and shit, and then like when you do that, do you do it with every single little change that you do? I guess like, yeah. See, mine would be like, I moved to the API using the Twitch API, and now I'm like that would be all this shit. Instead of doing a web crawler. Okay, so I put that in there. API clips. Return. Oh, I kind of want to like, I think here, like, I don't really need these, right? I think I just want to upload this to the database. We'll test it first and see how it works, and then we'll upload it to the database. Yeah. Let's do that. Last time I fucking just did something to the database, I had to fucking delete the whole database. Because I was like deleting shit that I thought I didn't need. And oh yeah, man, I'll never do that again. I thought I was gonna be cleaning it up, and I had like a logic error in there that was like really bad. That basically like marked everything to be deleted. And I was like, oh no! I was like, holy shit, this is taking like a long time. Why is this thinking so much? And I was like, oh no! You gotta, if I can use a toothbrush to clean our dog's hair, hell yeah, dude, yeah. Just gotta pull the hairs out. When you do a commit, okay, let's say you make a change to it. Like every little change, do you do like a commit to it? Or like, yeah. No? Okay. Then that's a trillion commits? Hell yeah, dude. That's how they know you're working. Commit maxing. You get those green boxes on that GitHub shit. Yeah, we're gonna see if this works. Yeah, I got my little like checking stuff main here. Yeah. Main go back. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. This is actual main I'll be working on. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. I'll be going back to that later. See, the bad thing about this is that thank God it's Friday, although I'm still going to be coding. Hell yeah. I think I needed to get there. Well, I mean, I could do one. Yeah, let's do one. I just need to do one. Yeah. Clips sections. I hate that name too. Hate that name. Twitch clip. I'm gonna change that one day. One day I'm gonna change that. All right, so we got all channel API, get clips API. All right, I think I can not care about this. Pipchan. Is it for Pippa? I guess it is. Let's do this. Pipchan.get new clips API auto. Oh, the clips. Henya would have been a good one, like while she was streaming. Let me just double check something here. All right. I wonder if I don't think I took out anything while she was streaming. Should have been okay though. Load stream IDs to new clips. All right. Sort out clips not in database. Ooh. Yeah. See, there's gonna be none in the database, and I don't have any in there. So yeah, see, there's nothing. All right. The clips. There's gonna be a ton. There's gonna be an absolute ton. You can delete this one. Pipchan. Did I make like a fucking thingy? Did I make a thingy? I feel like I should make like a string or something. Make this a stringer. I don't know if that would be necessary, but yeah. I think ooh, wait a second. Yeah, I want to like, I got the clips parser. Holy crap. I want to delete it. Clip info. Yeah, I'm not using that any longer. The bad thing is like, yeah. I'll have to make a ton of changes. Like, I think I can delete this whole page here. But I don't want to get rid of it in case I like lose access to the API or whatever, right? And I don't want to have to fucking rewrite that shit. Ah! It's my fallback. It's my fallback. Do a rug pull on the API like fucking Twitter did. Yeah. I need to be reborn or something and get a new PhD in math and retrain as a sys-level engineer because no one is this bad at coding, not like me. I can't code functors and C++. Functors. Yay! Should I just fucking update this shit? Oh, it loaded her ID in there. I think it did. I got no errors. Let's see if I got any errors. All right, I didn't. This is from a couple days ago. I'm gonna save this. Ew. Functors. I've heard of that. In C++, what is this? Is it one of those C++ features? It is an object of a class or struct that can be called just like a regular function. Holy shit, I always hear about these like overloading and I'm like, what the fuck is an overloading? You create one by overloading the operator, the function called operator, with a class. This allows you to use an instance of that class as if it were a function name. All right? Unlike regular functions, functors can maintain state because they are objects. They can have member variables that store data between calls. All right. What? Struct multiplier. Int factor multiplier. What the fuck is this? Overloading the operator. Int operator int val const. Return val and factor. Ah. Multiplier times 3. Created the object. What's this times 3 shit? What the fuck? Is that the thing? Is that the thing here? Wait a second. You just made a fucking new Mr. Robot narrated by awesome guy. Raspy voice featuring Derek. That's interesting. This kind of reminds me of like a it fucking looks like a how do I put it? I kind of did it here a little bit. It's not quite it, but it's giving me like vibes. It's giving me vibes, man. So like I made this function to try to prove Grok, not Grok, but like Gemini wrong. And it was right. Like I printed it out. I was like, fuck, you were right all along. Because I wanted to see if it worked, and opened up and it didn't. But this is it fixed. This is it fixed. So it's like here, like I made the function outside of it, but then like I don't want to keep it out there, so I just like maintained it within here in case I wanted to go back and look at it. And so here, like here's a function here. I'm just calling it that, and then I have whatever's in here. It's kind of giving me those vibes. You can never prove AI wrong. Axioms based off our data, and we are wrong. Exactly. Well, what made it wrong was that this, especially this, and I was like, oh man, I can't believe I did this. Cause like I was, it had a unique number, right? But like this was gonna use like a, what is it? Like a foreign key that's not unique. And like, so double, but like, I was like, before I was just like taking the end and like throwing it, like replacing it. It's like, cause I didn't really care about the order, but what I was doing is throwing stuff that it's like, it'll be like in another area of like a slice, like scanning. And, how do I put this? Like basically I was throwing stuff that should have been scanned in, like putting it on the other side. And like, I was like, what the fuck? It's like, oh crap. Because I was just throwing it all over, like stuff that I should have scanned, I was going to be taking it out. I was like, oh, damn it. But if it was unique, it would have worked. No Doom AI tier, and I'm no Altman. We are all AI-ception. I'm going to clone myself. AI-wise. To defeat our AI overlords when they kill me. Who use AI to detect AI, and then AI trains on AI. Yeah, like the shitification of everything will happen because AI is like, it can't make anything better than it really trained on necessarily, right? So yeah. And so like when more and more data becomes like AI generated, it's gonna you get the problem, right? The more and more of the data that it trains on is AI generated, it's just goes all downhill. You knew that pre-COVID. Why? Yeah, there's a little theorem on it. Yeah, they did like it made a paper on it, and it showed that it was all fucked up. But I never really thought about the data would be like that high. But yeah, like basically it's gonna become all shit. Like for me, like I was like, when AI started really popping, like 3 years ago, like I was afraid of just like deep fakes just ruining like law basically. And like in deep fakes just like ruining social media. Completely ruining it. And then like all the bots just flooding social media. I just thought like, oh man, like no one's gonna want to use social media like at all. And then we get all the fake websites and shit like that. I was like, it was getting pretty bad. Like it was getting pretty bad like after 2017 basically. Like people just start like the LLMs that they're just kind of making to make fake sites and stuff. Because it was there, they just didn't have like the general all-purpose AI like ChatGPT. And so like I was like, oh man, everything's like internet's gonna be fucking, no one's gonna use the internet. It's gonna be like the 1990s again, basically. Or the 1980s. I mean, I grew up in that era, so I'm used to it. But like for some people, I mean, hell, like how are they going to deal with like school? People don't have to write their papers any longer. Man, if I didn't have to write my papers back in early 2000s, I would have loved it. I don't know. Yeah, I grew up. I don't know. Yeah, I grew up in that era too. Yeah. Yeah. I graduated high school in 2000. I thought I was like, oh man, if all the, I was just about to turn 18 basically. And I was like, man, if all the fucking lights go out here now, it's my senior year. Like if all those lights go out, it's gonna be terrible. Kind of held my breath a little bit. So that printed. All right. Let's have it just fucking update that shit then. I was a small boy bored in Jersey. Oh man. Because Jersey sucks. It's the Garden State though, yo. It's the Garden State. I think I'm just going to go all out and just do this. Unfortunately, I won't be able to check to see if another feature works until the end. But I might make like a worker that grabs all these things. Yeah. Whoa. So let's do this. I'm gonna add this into the part. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh, I can run it twice and see if it fucks up. Right. What's the 0 at the end? Oh, that's my rating I'm gonna give it. All right, so why do I have the timing like this? I don't think I like this. I think I'm gonna keep it though. What's a Z? But at the risk of being not breaking my NDA stuff, I know AI is being used by people, and that is dangerous because there exists a thing called physics informed neural nets. Ooh. And they give it the data that Kepler had, and it predicted the Newton's equation of gravity. Ooh. Ooh. What if it like you don't what how do they like did they just give it like the science from everything before Newton, or up before Newton did the created calculus? And if we have that, then we literally have made literal mathematicians and physicists like me redundant for the next 50 years. I mean, like, you have to somehow guarantee it's not getting any of that information in its training data, right? I like to see the code, like how it like reason and stuff. Should I LOL at you now? I don't know. Because if it's already in there, then he's regulating. Well, then it didn't really figure out the fucking Newton's equations. It already had it in its it had it in its memory, right? It had it in its weights, hidden somewhere in there. So it didn't really it didn't figure out Newton's stuff, on its own. I worked on this paper, Derek. It did it. So for a fact it did not get any of I like to see the methodology. That's for sure. That's for sure. That's for sure. That's for sure. All right, let's clear this shit. What the? Clear. Oh, what I should do is ooh, maybe I should remove I can test this. Maybe I can test this straight up. Let's do the first one only 7 days in. That didn't really seem like a lot. Let's do this again. Well, how's this any different than 60? 59.0. Let's get the length of that. Let's print the length. Length. Hanky pankies. Do you have Discord by any chance? I'm not gonna like read it right now, but I'd like to read it. I can give you like my Discord link. Only PVT Discord? What's PVT Discord? Output title. Not Ringo Starr. This just seems like way smaller. I wish I didn't clear that shit. Copy. I got a streaming PC here. Direct science. A deep learning framework for solving. Science Direct. Am I a robot? Verify if you're a human. Is this behind a paywall? Yeah, I can't. Does it have like the? Yeah, I can't really read it. Introduction. Oh, they have that link. It's just the same one. Okay, they just had like a different. Okay. Okay. I thought it was different because the title was different than what you gave me. All right. What's this date? All right. Physics informed deep learning. This is old. Look at the citations, 26,000 now. Now imagine how many PVT companies use that to hide behind their lawyers. Oh, yeah. It's probably a good thing they're not published. I only want the junk. I only want junk papers published. It's so good, I would cry out. Yeah, I'll read it, man. I'll read it. I'll read it later. Yeah. You can be a junior systems level engineer. The shitification. The shitification of everything. All right, so I want to do this again. I'm going to do a couple more calls on this. I'm going to change the size of it. Slice length. Clips. End clips. Then of clips. The clips. All right, so we'll do this. Man, I gotta use a restroom. 35. Let's change this to 60. All right, I gotta change. I gotta. All right, I kind of want to do this. Because we can go like days back. Yeah. And I kind of want to change that. In range. Ooh. Do I have now? Start time. What the fuck? What's the end? It goes backwards. All right. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to use the restroom. I'm going to put my thing here. Why aren't we having AI solve fusion for us? What the fuck, man? Why aren't we having AI solving fusion for us? You think it'd want to solve fusion for itself. I'm going to change this. Days back. It's gonna be a little bit different. Days back. Add date. Start time. End time is now. Oh, so it goes in reverse. End time. Started at. And does it look at backwards? I think 100 is like. All right. I wonder how many be there for Henya. Yeah, I need to make this more. Yeah. I should have like days back. Days backer. Days backer. Days backer. Backer. Oh yeah. I hate that. I hate it. Days offset. Today offset. There we go. So if you do like, yeah. So we got the days back. Add date. Start time. End time. So we'll be like this, right? End time now, like UTC dot add date, and then be like 0, 0, offset. What do I call it? Today offset. There we go. Oh, negative. Bam. So this will be like within bounds. So ow. Days further back. So today offset. I should say like, I want to do it like this. Okay, like, okay, let's do this. End time. Var end time. Because I don't know how it, if I do 0, would it like, would it fucking, if it's 0, would it fuck up? All right. I don't know. I don't want to risk it. I don't even want to test it. All right. So if today offset not equal to 0. Yeah. Else. Let's cut that. Bam. What happens if I add 0? Yeah. All right, so this probably brought up a lot of problems. Okay, so today offset. Comma. And then we'll put that here. Copy. Of course. Of course. So typically, like, well, I want to see, like, if I have to do, like, it in sections, like, yeah. I do want to check this. I kind of want to pass it. Because this was just, like, scanning 6 days back, but, like, it'd be really weird. Yeah. Days back. What if I just append these? Oh, Billy. All right. Let's see what this does. We'll put 0 here. There we go. Aha. Back to back, baby. Now, like, I don't even really care what's gonna come up. So the first one said, like, holy fuck. Was it 59? Shit. Hopefully I can still scroll back. I did clear it. I'm not seeing, like, maybe I am seeing 200. Maybe I am. 59, what? Wait a second. 35, 203. That seems kind of weird. I forget what my values were before. Fuck. Let's not print this. Let's not print this. Bam. Control S. $200. Interesting. So it severely limited how much I was getting. Huh. Huh. I guess I could check here too. Like, yeah, so this was 524. $523. 520. And this one is like 520. 328. What the fuck? Zerkoff. 523. Is this just like random? Not in order? Did I do something weird? Maybe I did something weird. I think I did. I might have. I might have done something weird. I should sort it. I should sort it. Yeah. That's fine because all these are not going to find the database. Yeah. Ooh, I might. Yeah. API clip. It's not going to find the database there. Load stream ID. I think this one here. This one fucking. Oh, wait a second. It should be fine because this here, it didn't resort it. Yeah. Get all VODs, database, API clips. All right, else not equals 0. I don't know if I like this. Okay. Yeah. So I just grabbed them straight up, right? And then went into here. Yeah. I kind of, whoa. API clips. I don't know if I'd necessarily like this. I don't think it would have done anything here. Sort out the ones in database. So like the database clips would be length 0, right? And so like, nothing would have gone in there. Wait a second. Yeah. So it would have like looked through all these all at once, like right in a row. Just it would have just said it's not in there, and pinned it in there, and put it in there, and threw it up. So yeah, I find it kind of weird that this is all kind of all over the place. Maybe they have it sorted in other means. I would think like the date would have been in there fine. Yeah. Yeah, because this is driving me crazy. Wait a second. Yeah. Maybe I need like a for loop in here, like and fucking updating that shit, and then yeah. Yeah. So let's do this. I'm gonna have like 2 of these functions. I'm gonna have an out of auto that does like that loops through all these, and then one that's auto. Yeah. Because I think I'm running into like a wall. Like, why is it returning 273 here, and then previously returned 203? Like, that's really weird. I need to look at something else here too. After cursor, what's cursor? Okay, so first 100. First 20, maximum 100. Huh. I can only do 100 at a time. Interesting. Owlbear. Man. This kind of changes everything for me. Wait a second. Okay. All right, so I'm going to make a thing here. I'm going to make a thingy. Funk C star. I'm just going to copy this whole thing. Let's make sure I'm not loading my... Oh, gosh. All right. Between these nuts. All right, so days from today, even more days from today. Right? Am I crazy here? Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. I think I know what's going... Sort of what's going on. Ooh. Let me see. Let me check this out again. All right, so if I do end time here, right? Oh, wait a second. So this does even more days back. So this did 60 days back from 30. So it was like 90 days back. All right. All right. Days back from offset. Would that be harder to calculate? I think that might be harder to calculate. Yeah. Let's not do the days back from offset. So what I'm going to do here is we'll have end time, right? That. And then we'll have like a... We'll do like this again for start time. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck me. Copy that. Yeah, I think if this is both, if I consider the origin to be like current time and just keep it at that instead of like having the start time, you know, be beholden to this. Yeah, started at, ended at. Yeah. I think that'll work a little bit better. Because then, like, yeah, that'd be harder to like calculate. Would it? Not necessarily. No, actually, it probably wouldn't be too bad. How do I want to do it? Because I could just... I'm thinking. All right, let's... So, let's see what this prints now that I fixed that. All right, so, 69. Nice. All right, so that's interesting though. That's interesting. That's interesting. I'm not loading this thing in, am I? All right, cool. Cool. All right, where's my... Is it this here? So here, like, I'm not going to do any of this shit. Days from today, days. Yeah, even more days from today. There we go. And this will be like, yeah. There we go. And I think I can kind of say goodbye to this shit. Because I don't really care here any longer. I can delete this. And this. There we go. So it was 30 and 60, and let's do like 0 and 29. And hopefully it adds up to 203. Yeah. If it doesn't, then I don't know. So let's bring in this. We're gonna use this one. Main. I'm glad I fucking looked at this shit. Because you never know what's gonna come out. You know what I'm saying? So before it was... Let's put it 0 and 60 here. Yeah. So this will be 0 and 29. All right. Well, that's not as much. 0 and 60. What's going on here? Huh. 69. Nice. Maybe one's like, yeah, 69. So that's 15, 6, 7, 8, 1, 8, 5. Let's do 0 to 30. There we go. Ew. All right. Start days back. End days back. All right, so 0, 30. All right. Interestingly, why did 0 to 29? Anyways. How am I getting 59 here? Println. We're going to do this. Start %d. End %d. Right, that's a D. That's the D, baby. And the D, baby. And then end clips. %D. And then we'll go like this. Bam. And then we'll do this. Start days back. End days back. And comma len. The clips. What? What's going on here? Comma. What? Oh. Da clips. Linda's clips. All right, so this should be 0 and 30. It should come up with 123. All right. And then we got like, let's see what the 30 and 30 do. Zero. All right. 60. Okay, so I'm kind of confused. For like 0 and 1. Four, right? And then 1, 2. $11. All right, that counts. So 30. Okay. So that was 100 and that was 203. Let's do 0 and 60. It's probably like wondering what the fuck I'm doing. Okay. Okay. So this is kind of like how they do slices and go. Yeah. 30 to 60, 71. 0 to 30. 123. Well, that says 104. Or 204. 71 and 20. Fuck it, chickens in a bucket. I'll do some overlap anyways. Yeah. I think I kind of like it like this. I like it like this. Maybe. Although, it might be easier if I'm doing like a for loop like that. I don't know. I kind of like keeping the origin at today's date instead of moving it around. You know, like the length between the start point, like, yeah, the start point's like, for both would be today's date. And before, the start date was based on, for end days back was based on start days back. But I think having the way I'm doing it's a little bit better, maybe. 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 Let's do like 200. Let's do 120. All right. I think 3 is Henya. Twitch streams. Yeah, 3 is Henya. Oh, baby. Gotta love her. Henya is a genius. All right. All right. All right. Hello. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? Clips.go. I don't want to look at that. All right. Good. Sweet. 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 How about you? I'm living the dream, yo. I'm living the dream, yo. Oh, I gotta see if this works. All right, so let's put like an update here. I'm gonna get rid of this. Am I wanting to take this back? Sort clips not in database. I put that in there, right? Yeah. Yeah. I don't have any errors. Oh. Let's do this. So I got Clips API, Clips database, add clips to database. Yay! On conflict. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna do this much. Inserted. I'm just gonna look at it. Where is this at? Let's make this false. It's gonna print every single one of them. I don't want to do that. All right. I don't want to do that. Goodness gracious me. So channel, add clips to database. All right. So let's do like 0 to, let's do 30 to 60 or yeah. Let's do 30 to 60 and then, or let's do 45 to 60, then and then like 30 to 40, 30 to 60. Yeah. We're gonna do this. All right, so I'm just checking my functions before I fucking make a whole one and then like, yeah. And then regret it. All right, so. Pip-chan. Let's make this back to Pippa. She's 2. She should be 3. Add clips to database. Get all VODs. Yeah, it should be like loading that shit. Then blah 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 blah. And blah 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 blah. All right. And it'll be the clips. If error not equal to nil. Ew. This will be like error. And error not equal to nil. Println error. There we go. Shit. All object keys must match. Let's see what happened. Nothing. Object keys must match. All right. What does this mean? Main earlog and uploading clips. I'm double dipping that shit. All right, so all object keys must match. I'm not. Okay. All right. Uh-huh. I wonder if it's because of let's look at the function. Channel sections, clip section, dbf table, section's false. See, I'm thinking that count. Ooh, I don't have a log info. What the fuck? Return nil. Oh, it printed it in here. I'm pretty sure it printed it in here. All right. Clip section, inserted sections. Upsert false. All right, representation. All right. On conflict, only need if up insert's true. All right. I'm not 100% sure what this does. Is it because of the... Maybe I have like wrong names. Maybe I have wrong names. Let's make sure what my table is exactly. Table string, Twitch clip sections. Do. Twitch clip sections. Let's go here. There. ID. Ah, wait a second. What's this? Let's close this. We got ID. Twitch channel ID. Twitch channel ID. Created at. Created at. Twitch stream ID. All right. Let's move this down. Twitch com ID. There we go. Wait a second. Where's the Twitch clip ID? There we go. Now Twitch clip ID is unique. Listen. All right. Oh, I have these like in the same order. Twitch clip ID. Key. Twitch stream ID. I'm thinking it might be an issue with this. Yeah. I'm thinking there might be an issue with this because not everything will have like the same. If I'm grabbing stuff from like way long ago, I don't have the stream ID key for some of them. Clipped by. Wait a second. Stream ID key. Twitch com ID key. All right. Title. Put by ID. Bring you up. I'm gonna make this smaller. What the fuck, dayo? It's gonna be hard for you all to see it, but I don't give a shit. Close this. There we go. Now I'm having a hard time seeing it. Twitch clip ID, Twitch stream ID. Yeah. Yep. Twitch com ID key. Title. Clicked by ID. Let's move you up. Okay, click by ID, click by ID. Click by name. We clipped by name. Okay. Created at start, end. Okay, adjusted start. All right. Adjusted end. Okay. Rating. All right. Okay. It looks like everything's good on this end. Yeah, it looks like everything's the fucking same. So I'm wondering if all right, let me ask exactly what this is. Could this be yeah, what does this mean? What does this mean? What? Error happens to bulk insert, upsert, database. It means JSON objects you are sending to the API request payload do not have the exact same keys. So when you up insert multiple rows at once, Postgres requires every row object to look identical in the structure. Yeah. Ew. If one row has a key that another row is missing, the database objects. So email is a key. Oh, fuck. But the objects have identical keys, even if it's no. So you use nulls, set missing values explicitly to null. I think I did. I think there's no typos. Sure that there are accidental spaces in your names, like name versus. Good call on that. ID looks fine. Channel ID looks fine. Rating and start. And start. Created at. Yeah, there's no spaces. It must be the foreign key to some unknown foreign key. Yeah. Should I cease making it foreign? Because there are some the reason being some of these things some of these items won't have a foreign key. Yeah. Some of these rows, because the data is no longer available. Foreign keys can absolutely be null in SQL if data is unavailable, including the foreign key. If your JSON payload set to its value null, I mean, it should be null. Oh, I think I know. I think I know what's going on. The ones that are empty, I think I need to set. I think I need to say null in it. All right, all right. Yeah. Well, let's kind of do this a little bit different. Let's see if it does it between like 20 and 30 or whatever, right? All right, so like maybe like between 15 and 30, maybe. Yeah. I put it in there. Yep. Because it's a stream ID. Yeah. Some of them are missing. All right, let's see what happens when I do between I got 57 in the records here. Yeah. So let's see what happens when I do like between 12 and 15, 12 and 30. There you go. Or maybe let's do 10 and 30. $13. All right. Yeah, added 13 to it. Because it was 57 and added 13, 60, 70. Yep. Title, period. Hell yeah, Bubba. All right. Because I think like I have like one that will like go in there and fix it up. And I do remember that I have to say null to it. It's kind of a pain in the dick. All right, so here we go. I could probably do that somewhere around in here. Because I load the IDs, right? So, yeah. Clips. Is it Clips API? Get channel clips, blah, 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 blah. Let's do this here. Let's go to our main. It's easier just to click through here. So, new clips between get channel clips API. Get all VODs, database. What? Streams, load streams ID not to new clips. So okay, so clips, blah, 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 new clips. This is a fun one, chat. This is a fun one. Not in there. Clips copy. Clamps copy. Oh, gosh. All right, so this is like the true ID. Right? This is the true ID. All right, so the true ID. The true ID. Stream ID. Okay, so this goes through all the streams. Interestingly, clips copy. Let's look at this. Clones, clips. Not. Not indent. So I kind of feel like here, this might be dangerous here too. Well, I guess it's not dangerous. Stream ID, clip ID. I'm just thinking like maybe that might, like if it's like really new, it might not be in there. But there's no stream ID. That won't happen. Interesting. So I guess like if clips copy here, if Linux clips copy, I should go in here and check. So these will have like their own things in it, right? And I kind of feel like I should look at these after this here, and then in each one of them just make quote null in it. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. For clips copy. Let's do this again. What happened? Like if it has a stream key, right? Clip that. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know like what a really old one looks like. Let's print it. So I don't know, like a one that's like 4 months old. I don't know what that looks like. Let's print it. Let's print it. So let's go to the main. And I was uploading them, right? Yeah. Yeah. So start days back 120. 121. Hopefully this is not her day off. Okay. That's a weird number. Let's look at this. All right. Client. ID 0. Int 2. All right, Twitch channel ID is 2. That's the key. They gave the clip. Twitch stream ID is 0. All right, so let's look at this again. Drive-by kidnapping. That's the title. Clipped by ID. Wait a second. Oh, wait a second. They don't have anything there. So, okay. Excellent. So we know, like, they gave it a 0. They gave it a 0, chat. On this. So the com ID key is like their key that they give like to each of their VODs, basically. Yeah. They actually have like a hidden stream key out there. FYI. So like grabbing the VOD is long gone. But now that we know it's 0, maybe I can like, I'll just make it null, right? I'll make that null. Well, it's going to be null anyway. We'll look for the length of it, and if it's 0, then we'll make the I. How do I make this null? Good thing I don't have anyone. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. Wait a second. Yeah. How do I make that null? How do I make that null? Is that really the issue? Is that really the issue? Owl. I don't know if I want anything like... Hmm. Hmm. This text. All right. Let's see what this says. It's nullable. I think it says here. All right, so okay. Let's check out the Golang shit. Because I'm gonna have to go in here and like I'm gonna have to fucking put these in individually. I think. All right, so add clips to database. Where's that at? There we go. Sections. All right, so I don't want to map this shit out. I guess I'm gonna have to. Uploading it individually be a little bit big of a little bit bigger of a pain in the ass, but I think it might be worth it. Here's the problem. I'm gonna show it this. All right. Okay. Okay. I am using Go Postgres version 0.0.0.012, I think. Let me look at this. No. Erlog, go mod. Yeah. There might be like an issue. And here is the struct I am using. And shift enter. Enter. And here is the thing. Here's the database. Here is the function. All right. Here is the function. The problem is that I think it's getting hung up on this. Yeah. I think it is getting hung up on this. Let me double check one thing here too. Twitch stream ID. I did allow it to be nullable. Add foreign key, add these nuts. Yeah, it always starts at 1 also, so like 0. Yeah. Yeah. I checked an old clip, and I looked up some old clips, and they don't give the Twitch VOD key. So it's 0. Oh, wait a second. I'll just say when the ID passes 0. Okay. Is 0 because it is 0 when it doesn't find the stream. Yeah. When it can't. When it doesn't find the. When it doesn't find the stream, yeah. In the DB. So it is an int. So what do I do because it's an int? What do I do because it is an int? Yeah. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah. Go completely removes the... Oh, should I put null? If a passive batch of clips, one has a real... Allow pointers to allow... Use pointers to allow null. Ooh. Ew. Too good. This will allow now Marshall. That's too good. All right. That'll be pretty easy to implement. I think. Interesting. I never thought about doing it that way. So there you go. Bam. Now it's gonna be yelling at me about this shit. All right, so clip stream ID. All right, so stream ID here. We'll do this. Bam. Right. I think it'll be nil like automatically. right? Yeah. It's looking for COM ID key. Yeah. Wait a second. That's looking for COM ID key. And then we got the clip ID key. Yeah. This one looks at the clip ID key. Yeah. Wowzers. All right, so let's see. What? Update stream IDDB IMDb base. All right, so is stream ID equals 0. Yeah. Not equal to 0. Bam. Else. I want to see if this panics. Yeah. This might panic. So I'm assuming like I'm telling it to put the value in there, right? This might panic here. Well, it'll panic like not when I'm updating. Right? And we don't have to update it yet. Let's go to main. I'll be surprised if it, I'll be half surprised if it doesn't. I know like if it's like a struct, it'll be nil. And like if you try to access data in there, it'll like, it'll be like, fuck you, man, panic. All right, so. Did I update that shit? What the fuck happened to this? Add clips to database. Maybe I There we go. Oh, it didn't. Oh, wait a second. Let's do like 2 and this will be 2 and 10. Let's see what happens. Yep. So yeah, this is now this is gonna be a little fun, right? Let me see what this does. So remember and stream chat. All right, so yeah. I should give the address. I did. Would be okay. Okay, wait a second. Constant car, blah blah blah. Use a fallback foreign key. Create a dummy row in your. I thought about doing that. But I don't want to remember that shit. So there's like, how many of these? Holy fuck. Let's try this again with only like 2. I mean like 2 and then 3 or something. There you go. All right, let's go running. 11. Okay. Man, oh man, oh man. Yeah, if it was a string, I could say null, right? But I can't. This is an integer. It's kind of funny because you can just put like null on there and I'll just do it. All right, so let's see if it uploads that weirdly or not. So, I mean, it'll panic if it like passes an address, I think. Like this isn't fucking, this isn't it. All right, so I uploaded it. There's no error. All right, so where else is it? Fuck this. All right. Wait a second. Yeah, I should have that value in there. The only problem is like, yeah, I won't get rid of it. Yeah. All right. I fucking hate it. I hate it, but I love it. I hate it, but I love it. I love it, but I hate it. Okay, so let's see if we got these. Find. All right. Wait a second. Ooh. Let's do this. Bam. This was the one. All right, we put the pointer in for that one. Copy. Find. None there. Yep, that took the pointer there. That took the pointer there, baby. Okay. So this one will take the value stream ID if it's There. Could you like just take the pointer of that and then like of whatever's being, you know, the address or whatever's being passed, and we'll just keep it. That'd be so crazy. That'd be crazy. I want. That'd be fucking crazy. Probably not. Probably not. Yeah. I wonder like how that looks under you know, in the what's it called? In the assembly language. Yeah. Goodness gracious. I'm not gonna do that. I don't even want to fucking test it. Because well, that one there too. Right, if I just did that, like, if I had 0 coming in, it wouldn't be nil. Right? And like, I don't think I'd ever have anything like this. Oh man, should I take a pointer? I might need to take a pointer. Right? Because some of them are going to be nil going in there. And if I like, if I take a value of 0 in there, yeah, I might have problems. I might have problems. Let me just do this. All right, so I don't think I've used this in anything else. Oh, wait a second. How does this take a value in if it's nil? Wait a second. This is dumb. See clip section. Yeah, let's do this. All right. And then here. Update int, value int. Who works alone in their office? Yeah. Closet office. Let's do this. I'm working on Memorial Day and I have a daughter. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, baby. Heck yeah, baby. Update pointer int. There we go. There we go. Boom. 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 There we go. What do you hate now, bitch? What do you hate now? What? VID. There we go. Bam. This is like a special edging case. Special edging case. Do I just want to go for it now, chat? Do I just want to go for it? I think it's gonna work. Yeah, baby. All right, so yeah. I don't think I want to go back 120 days. Wait a second. We can go back like 60. Let's do like a 119 to 120. Go run me nigga. Oh, baby. Let's check this out. No. All right. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I might have this, but I might not have the... fuck. I wish I kept the COM ID key. Damn. Let me see if they have the stream ID key. Then I have to bring it in. Then I have to bring it in. Oh, Billy. Yeah. Where is it at? It might not be a part of the shit, but shit's complicated. Shit is complicated, chat. All right. Creator ID, creator name, duration, video ID, game ID, language, title, view count. Created at. Thumbnail, IRL. URL, VOD offset. I think I kind of want to bring in the game ID. I think I want to bring in the game ID. Embedded URL. Gosh. Oh, I think I want to bring in the game ID. Let's bring in the game ID. Now I have to fucking fix that shit. It might be just best just to delete everything. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to bed. It's almost 1 o'clock. Yeah. I think if I don't bring in the fucking game ID, I'm gonna be sad. I think I'll be sad. Yeah. I think I'm gonna be sad if I don't. We don't like it. You won't like it when I'm sad. You won't like me when I'm sad. Oh my gosh, man. Dude, I loved that show when I was a kid. All right. The even sadder part, I think I have to get the game ID. I don't know how the game ID. I'll just keep the game ID for this. Yeah. The problem is, I think, like, wait a second. Let's look at the API. All right, so info API. Muted segments. Now they have a game here. What if there's they play multiple games? Right? ID, create ID, publish ID, thumbnail ID. I thought they had a game. I thought they had the game ID in here. Viewable of your account, language type, duration. I guess they don't have the game ID. All right. All right, I'm going to put the game ID in there. We'll put it like here. I'll put it here. String. And then we're going to copy this. Game ID, we got to delete this. Bam. And omits if empty. So I don't know like what the game like ID is. Yeah. What's that in here? Insert. Where the fuck? 83 records. Go ahead at the end. Game ID for the clip. ID given from Twitch for clip. Choose column type. Long, long float. All right, let's save it. I think I'm gonna delete it, chat. I think it'd just be easier just to delete all this. All right, let's go to here. I'm surprised I didn't throw it. Clips API. All right, so let's do here. Clips. Dot game ID equals h clip dot game ID. Yeah. Do. It's gonna be real fun doing YouTube. It's gonna be real fun doing YouTube. Okay, so I don't know. I don't know what's gonna give on those old ones. What? I didn't print anything. Did they? What? 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 Oh, I know what happened. It just didn't fucking, it didn't return them. Sort out clips not in DB. Let's just print them here real quick. API clips. There you go. Motherfucker. Clip. Fucking pointers everywhere. Fucking pointers everywhere, I tell you. Why does it not like that? All right. And even though that's a pointer. Okay, no, she got me. I think that's it. 4825671 or 19er. Clip by ID, clip name. Wait a second. It's this one. This is their ID. Yeah. Yeah. She got me. All right, so all right. Game ID for Twitch. What is the game? Oh, come on, AI mode. So look up Fortnite to get its game ID, then pass that to Streams API. What the fuck, dayo? Correct. The stream endpoint expects game ID. Well, how do I reference it? All right. Ew, it's kind of old. Kind of old. What's this? I don't know what happens when I do this. Anyways, all right. This could be just chatting. Well, we got it. I can always look it up later. Right. Right. Should I just delete it? Should I just delete it? And then run it? I think it'd just be easier to delete and bring it back up. Let's just do that. All right. Because otherwise I'd have to fucking make a function that will like go through there and update all the gamer IDs. I guess I could do that. But then this is all over the place. Right? I had to make a function to find all the ones that I have in here by this. I guess I could do that. No, I don't want to do that. All right, let's delete them all. All right, bye-bye, bitch. Bye-bye. Bam. There we go. All right. I guess for all of them, we'll just do like 120 days back to begin with, and then yeah. How about we'll do that? We will have to have like a cleaner upper for the nil one. Yeah, to check to see if nil, then update the database. Yeah. Ooh, I could probably do that in here, actually. Because I checked this. Clips API, Clips API. Yeah. Sort out clips not in database. All right, so clip ID key. Ooh, so here. Ooh. It was like it was gonna be here, I think. But I don't necessarily need to do that. I thought I could do it here, but I can't really do it here. Yeah. I can make this like bool. Some of the clip. Yeah, I think I can make this bool. Yeah. All right. I gotta rethink this because I think I need to do like a star pointer there, and then I'm gonna load it with the stream ID. All right. Database clips, and I'm gonna return that, and then clips API. And then like, it looks at that. Yeah. Okay, this is like a double whammy. Map string, what does this return? Like if it does like exists, let me do like a star bool, a star int here. And then this will be like db clip dot Twitch channel ID. Twitch stream ID, right? And then like, what does this return? this? Invalid comment? So here it will be like a rare case in which the clip API will have a fucking wait a second. Can I fix it here? I wouldn't know what the stream ID would be. DB clips. So like, okay, here's the problem. I think. I'm not checking it if it's in there, but like, I think like, load stream IDs to new clips. All right, so like, if it's also like nil in there, I think, I think I just got to do this separately. Yeah, I think I got to do this separately. Unfortunately. I was hoping to be able to fix it in here, but I wouldn't be able to. Because I wouldn't know what the stream, the foreign key is for the stream ID. Yeah. Because it wouldn't have it in the database clip. Right. But I guess I could check true here. Check if it's null or something. I'd have to do it outside of this. Yep. All right. Yeah. Yeah. I think this will be fine. Yeah. Yeah. Clip. I don't need this any longer. Load streams IDs, new clip. Yeah. So here I can kind of like do the same thing, like okay, so like the ones that were rejected, right? And I can bring them in like infos. Like I could do this again, right? Yeah. Yeah, I can use this again. Such a versatile function. But I gotta grab the ones like, I gotta update all clips. Get all clips database. Okay, so I need like a func like C-star channel. Get I can make it like, ooh, this will be good. Get, ooh. Funk, C star. I could do it per info, which is a stream. All right, so update clips. Get clips database. Clips section. So it'll be like funk. Star info. Get. Get clips db no stream ID. So this will check to see if it's in there. If it doesn't have it, blah, 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 blah. Right? No, yeah, no stream ID. It will return clips. Clipped section. I hate that name, by the way. Error. I should just call it clip. I should just call it clip. I'm going to rename it eventually. Stop now. Wee. I think this will be fine. Okay, Twitch com key, EQ. We'll do this again. That. And this will be Twitch stream ID. This doesn't need to be a string. It might need to be a string. It does. All right, so no. There we go. All right. Let me copy this. Ooh, baby. Count. I could probably fucking update this right here. All right. But we'll do it outside of it. We'll do it outside of it. I can just foresee it. Like people making, I get all the clips. I don't have something in the database because they're currently streaming, and it's going to put it into the system and it's not going to have anything in there. So yeah, but I'd have to fucking check to see what this is exactly. Use blank for everything. Yeah. And like, I can load it in there right now, right? That'd be the smartest thing to do. All right. I'm doing it right here, right? I can be like, clip dot string Switch stream ID. Yeah. Equals v dot ID. And ID. There we go. There we go. There we go, yo. And like, maybe I could just do like a, yeah. I could do it individually. Yeah, let's do it individually. Yeah, let's do it individually. They'll make it look more cool. Adjusted time, update adjusted. Yeah, there it is. There it is, chat. Here's the problem. Like, I got to make sure, like, I fucking, yeah, I do update them. Yeah. That being said, it might just be easier to do it here. Yeah. Well, let's just save it right now. All right. And we're going to go to main. I'm going to work on this tomorrow. I'm going to run this tonight. Yeah. So tomorrow during the day, I'm going to run this. I'm going to work on this and hopefully I'll get it done. And then I'll, what I'll do is, ooh. The older they get, the harder it is to get. I just wish it had like more of a reference to what it was before. Yeah. And it doesn't. And I am surprised. I'm surprised they keep that hidden. All right. Let me just double check to see if there's something, anything. Broadcaster ID name, creator ID name, creator name, duration, video ID. I think the video ID, yeah, that's 0. Creator app, view count, video offset, yeah. Embedded URL, I mean, that's a URL to the clip itself. Yeah. I don't want to sit on it too much because it's data that disappears. It's data that disappears. All right. Duh. What the fuck? Successful update to database. Pipkin Pippa. Wait a second. What? I don't think she has anything. It looks like I only got 3. And it might say like assigning, but starting channel, but oh, it says started. Started Asmongold. Started Henya the Genius. Oh, it also says this too. Yeah, this could be, I don't know if it actually did Pippa, but there's 3 different ones. And yeah, they're just going right now. Yeah. So I had about like 2 or 3 terabytes and then I had to delete it. So it says like there's about 9 here and I had to delete about 3 of them. So I've only got like 6. And then like, what I got to do now is like have another function that does another codex over them. I think I want to do ones that are like over a couple weeks old or something, and then like recodec it to something else that's smaller. Maybe even drop the frames and, you know, drop the frame, like do 30 frames for those that are at 30 frames, and then yeah, that would be it. Yeah. Alrighty then. I think it's a good time to call it. Thank you everybody for stopping by. Yeah. Heck yeah. And I'll be on Memorial Day evening. Yeah. I'm going to be going to the pool. I'm going to go with my kitties. Although my son might not want to go. He's a little old. 20 freaking kids, freaking children, your 20-year-old children, they're out of control. My daughter's 18, my son's 20. My throat's all scratchy. So yeah, we'll get them clips. Get them clips. I probably should have just done the 26. I can't cancel it. I can't cancel it, chat. But I should just grab the 60 and put them in there. Yeah. Yeah. And then did the function later on. Fuck. Anyways. That's what I'll do tomorrow. Cause anyway, cause like I gotta do the I gotta do the update thing anyways. For the newer shit. So yeah. Anyways, I'll probably run it in the morning. And yeah, have it all up. Go like 90 days back maybe. I don't know. I can do 60 days or whatever. Whatever's clever. Whatever's clever. I probably should put the view count. Maybe should put the view count too. Especially for like the really old ones. Like I don't want like shit that's like has like 0 views from like 4 years ago. Fuck that shit. Yeah. Because it's probably shit. It's probably one of mine. Yeah. Anyways, have a good one, everybody. I appreciate y'all. And I'm out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Happy Memorial Day. Yeah.